So if you come to fiverr.com and type text to video, you're going to see some people that are actually offering these services here. And this particular person has about 1,074 jobs that he has done. And if you look at this, the basic price that he charges for this particular task is 25.92. And if you go to standards, is about 30.2. Go to premium, is about 34.56 for you. And he already has 4 orders in queue. And second person also has about 669 offers so far, and he is a top rated video voice and the voice over converter, and his basic amount is 48. The standard is 62.40, premium is 76.80. The third person here also says, I will turn your blog post into professional video with voiceover, and it charges 4.80 per basic and 9.60 per standard and 14.40 jobs, and they have about 4 orders in queue. Now, if you also go to this YouTube channel known as Brightside, you see that this YouTube makes about 2.7 thousand to 6,000 per month, and an estimated revenue of 140.7K to 2.2 million in a year. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can convert text to video using these simple methods. There are so many tools that you can use to convert this text into videos and start offering them as services on Fiverr, just like these 3 people that I've shown you here. Or you can also start your own faceless YouTube and start making money, just like this bright side faceless YouTube video. And I'm going to be showing you step-by-step guide through which you can do this to achieve your aim. Now, if you actually want to start a YouTube channel like this bright side faceless to YouTube, the first thing you need to do is to select a niche that you want to concentrate on. But if you want to offer it as a service on Fiverr, like this particular person or this person or this person, you can actually concentrate on different niches. Any particular niche that inspires you, you can concentrate on it and start making video on any of them and give to your client. But if you want to do it as a video, as a YouTube video channel, so what you're going to do is to concentrate on a particular niche. And there's some important and popular niches such as education, technology, lifestyle, and entertainment. You can choose any of these niches if you want to concentrate on YouTube channel. The second thing you need to do now is to do your scripting, do some texts, then you can convert them to video. But in a situation where the customer just gives you a particular topic for you to convert, for you to write and convert into a video, the next place you have to do is to go to place like ChatGPT. Once you go to ChatGPT, you'll be able to generate the text that you want to convert into a video. Let's say, for instance, now, if you are in a finance niche, or if a customer is interested in getting text to video on finance niche, for instance, you can quickly go to, if customer gives a topic, let's say, for instance, how to make money online, ChatGPT to write a script or an article on, say, six ways to make money online. So waiting for ChatGPT is going to write all these things very quickly for us. And as soon as ChatGPT finishes writing this thing, the next thing you need to do is to copy it. Now, there are so many AI tools, like I said before, that can help you convert this text into video. But the one we're going to consider today is one that is known as Pictory.ai. This Pictory.ai has a free version. It also has a paid version. But for the fact that we're actually trying to make money online, we can use the free version. So either if you have not signed up, you click on this free trial. But if you already had an account with them, you just click on login and try to see how the inside looks like. Assign me in, and there are about 4 different things that you can do with Pictoria. You can actually convert your script to video or your article to video. And this article video, what you need to do is just to copy the URL of the article, paste it here to definitely convert it to video for you, or you edit video using text. You can also have visual to video. And in this case, for the fact that you want to offer services where text are converted into video, for us to either sell it on Fiverr or to use it to form a faceless YouTube, what we need to do here is to select this first one here. Then you click on proceed. There's one important thing I want you to look at in this case now. Now, if you come to these settings, you can auto turn this particular play that auto highlight keywords. What this means that this particular keyword, whatever keyword you keep in here, this is going to help you to highlight those keywords. Like in this our case, like what we have is in ChatGPT, the keyword we have in ChatGPT is 6 ways to make money online. So you can now copy it from your 6 ways to make money online, take it to Pictoria, paste it here. So once you paste it here, the next thing you need to do is to go also to ChatGPT and copy these things, copy this article, for instance, copy this article completely. Now take it to copy it like this, take it to Pictoria and paste it here. So what you need to do, once you do that, you know that this thing can actually highlight these keywords. This is going to help you highlight all the keywords in this article. On proceed, Pictory is going to turn this text into a video. And there's so many templates that this Pictory has. You can also edit this once you finish. So the next thing you need to do here is to click on proceed. And when you click on proceed, you need to wait for this to turn this text into a video. Let's wait for the work to be done. The video is created. Now, what you need to do in this place is to click here. Once you click here, you select where you want your video to be uploaded. If it is YouTube, you select 16:9. If it is portrait, that is for TikTok, for TikTok and shorts, you select 9:16. And if it is for square, that is for Instagram and the rest of them, you also select this 1:1. In this case, let's go with landscape, which is 16:9. So what we need to do now is, now all these things are the stock images that this video has generated by itself. So you can actually edit all these things by yourself. You can also edit the texts if you wish. But if you look at all these things and they are okay for you, the next thing you need to do is to go over to, you can preview this video and wait for this to come. Once you preview the video, you're able to see how the video is going to look like. Okay? This is how the video is going to look like. So if you like them the way they are, you can continue. If you don't like, you can edit it. Now, the next thing we need to do is to get a voiceover for our video. Come to this audio, the thing, you see voiceover, and there are different voiceover. There are ones that are for upgrade and there are ones that are free. So all you need to do is you check the ones you like. If you click here,
welcome to Pictory. Did you know that video increases user engagement?
If you like this one, you will choose it. If you don't like it, continue going. What I need to do now is to click apply and wait for this to be applied. The voiceover is complete now. So what the next thing you need to do is to test what you've applied to see how the thing sounds. You can actually download this video. Once you click on this download, let's see how the whole thing will look like. Click on download and wait for it to download. What you can do now is this. You can gather this video. As you have downloaded this video, you can go to CapCut, put this video there, then go to websites like pexels.com, or Pixabay and get some stock videos or stock pictures and incorporate it into your video to make it more lively. And this thing, when this thing is done, you can also upload it on other channels such as your TikTok. You can also upload it on your Facebook. You can also upload it on some other platforms can actually engage in. And there are some other ways that you can use this thing to make money. For instance, YouTube AdSense revenue, affiliate marketing, sponsorship, or also selling your products and services based on the kind of niche you have chosen for yourself. And when you do this, you can actually see yourself making some money at the end of every month. Since you have watched to this particular point in time, please make sure you're going to subscribe to my channel. And if you've done that, thank you for watching. See you in my next video.